What's up, go getters? It's your boy Coach to Win, and man, I'm back with another video. Today was an insane trading day for me. Boy, let me tell you, I watched my account go from 47 in the morning, 47K, all the way up to 58K, like at the opening bell. And then, oh, I should have just like sold all my stocks and put it in Express because I knew that was going to take off. And I bought it at $4, 2,000 shares, and I wrote it up to 550, and I sold early. And you know that thing took off to $13 and 70 something cents. It was insane. If I just waited long enough, and I literally like have very little sleep right now, so I'm kind of delirious. Because I knew it was going to be an epic trading day. I started at 1 in the morning. I was intermittently sleeping and waiting and sleeping and waiting and chatting with my students on my Patreon. I have a Patreon, links in the description down below if you want to join. But yeah, it was an insane trading day. Let's just get into it, and I'm gonna show you the numbers, and I'm gonna just give you a breakdown of what happened today in a glimpse. Okay, so here I realized my gains for Express and holding 100 shares, because you got to hold on to your wins, right? It's kind of like a little trophy, you know what I mean? See where it goes, if it takes off, just like GameStop, come on, man, like dang. And then I took an L on PHUN. I was swing trading it. I took an L on it, but it's okay because my Express made up for those loss. And then basically I took an L so that I have a buying power to scalp Express, NAKD, and KOSS. And man, NAKD, I was like literally scalping the crap out of that thing, and I made like $8,000, and now I'm bag holding. You'll see it in a little bit, all right? You'll see it in a little bit. KOSS as well. I literally made in 1 minute and 2 seconds like almost $1,000 on one trade. It was like that. It just went from, I think, like 86 or something like that to like 96, and then it came back down. And then I sold right away, and I was like, bro, that was insane. But yeah, KOSS, I'm back holding that as well. So you can see in a little bit. And AMC is in the works because those are now swing trades. Because when I bag hold, I normally try to swing trade it like PHUN. PHUN wasn't going anywhere. So I had to, cut it loose and use my money. Feel me? All right, so let's get into the numbers here. With Express, if I do all, it was a swing trade. If I do all, or not 1 year, all, that's how much I made from Express today and yesterday, because I swing traded it. I swing traded 100 shares, and I started going in like bigger shares. So yeah. So if you look here, I scalped it a little bit. So if you look here, you can see my 2,000 shares right there. I bought in at 401. Oh man, I should have just held and ride it, right? Because if I rode it all the way to 13, that is so much money. So every dollar is $2,000, right? So it went 13 minus 4, that is 9. 9 times 2,000, that's $18,000 if I just held. $18,000 today if I just held. Dang. But your boy sold early because, I believe in locking in profits. Don't be greedy. And then I scalped it. Overall, this is how much I made, and I'm still holding 100 shares. And then the next thing is the AMC. That's in the work. That's a swing trade. So you can see here, it is making money right now. I saw it at 1,004. I didn't take it. But only 100 shares though. I wish I had gone in more. And then I also have NAKD. I scalped NAKD, and I'm actually swing trading this right now. Look at all this right here. Look. Oh my goodness. So I just went in. Your boy started 10,000 shares at 89 cents, and it went all the way up because now I'm bag holding. What? It went all the way up. Nothing can stop me. See, look, I bought in nearly at the top because I was trying to scalp it at 5,000 shares. So basically what happened was the price got so high, I couldn't buy 10,000 shares to scalp anymore. And I was scalping like, you just look at these scalps, dude. Like, look at that. Boom, ride it up. Boom, ride it up. It's just, it's almost like positive every single scalp. I maybe took a couple of losses, but then I hop right back in because I see the momentum and I can ride it and I can read the numbers really fast, and I was like killing it on this, and I was literally up like near $8,000, and now I'm bag holding. So technically I'm making $694 right now, technically, but it's a swing trade now. And then if I scroll all the way down here, I didn't really do any other trades. You can see PHUN right here. Took my losses, took the L's because your boy wasn't having it, Bought in yesterday, didn't Didn't really go anywhere. I bought at the top. I was actually profiting off this, and then I got in got in a little high, and I was just waiting and holding and waiting, and I think it was kind of good that I did hold because like it helped me build tough skin. Like when you look at when I look at like naked for today, I looked at it at negative $8,000, and I was like, I ain't worried about nothing because I was literally still up like $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 overall during my trading career. So I was like, I'll just hold it and see what happens. And it came back up. Now it's like if I sold like tomorrow morning, I would make $600. But your boy not gonna do that. Why? Because I know it's hype. It's hype right now. And the last thing was KOSS. KOSS, I was actually up and now I'm down. Okay. I scalped it, and I scalped this. I held 100 shares. Oh my god! Look at this. Look at this. So I bought 100 shares. Or I scalped it a little bit. Hold on. Right here. I bought 100 shares, and it went up and it triggered. Bruh. Because this thing went to like $96 at its highest. I just had that 100 share. Money. But I set a sell limit and it triggered in the morning, and there's nothing I could do about it. Your boy was sleeping. You know what I mean? Like it was just like that. So anyways, let me get into the charts here so you can see my numbers here. I am still up $10,000, almost $11,000. Money's moving because crypto doing work right now. So this is how I make my money work for me, and I'm starting to understand this a lot better and become a little bit more financially literate on how to use money to make money. Not just when scalping and trading. It's more like be patient and don't freak out when you're like in the negatives. Because like when you first start out as a day trader, you freak out. You're like, I don't want to lose money. I don't want to lose. No. What you need to do is you need to consider, and I'm going to stress this over and over again, constantly look for the next trading opportunity. Like for example, I was scalping KOSS, right? And then I got caught at a high. I was in a positive. It was like $96. I didn't want to take the profit because I got it at 90. And then I was like, let's look. And then I kept watching it. It kept going down. And I saw the numbers and I didn't get out. I saw it coming, but I didn't get out because I'm hoping this is going to be one of those GameStop stocks where it just zoom to 150 tomorrow. This is totally gambling. But I'm able to do that because look, I'm still 10,000 positive, or 10,000 plus positive, right? Almost $11,000. You can see right there. And then, so I set my sell limits. If you look at the charts here for KOSS, I set my sell limit every $5 or so. I don't know if it'll trigger or not because, the market is insane right now. I don't know if it's going to go all the way back up. But if you look at this chart right here, boy, it looks good. Hopefully it takes back up. Hopefully. Yeah, rocket. And then naked, I set my sell limits as well right here. I basically scalped all the way from like right here, downward, back up, downward, back up, up, and I got caught at the top. Like literally, I was like up $8,000, and I watched my account go in the morning from, like I said, 47,000 to 58,000, back down to 44,000, and then now back up to 50,000. So my account was fluctuating by that's a lot of money, you think about it. But I was always in the positive, so I wasn't worried. And I literally was like not paying attention to my stock when I was holding it at a negative, and it kept going down. I was like, whatever. I went to spend time with my wife and my daughter as they were reading, because I was a terrible father today. I'm not gonna lie. I told my daughter 1 o'clock I'll play with her, but bruh, that's when like naked was taking off. You know what I mean? And so like I was a horrible father. I told her I had to break my promise of 1 o'clock, and I told her 3 o'clock, and that's when I really got off trading, because I know like after 3 o'clock, it's kind of slow. You know what I mean? But naked was still popping though, on the negative side, and then it came back up. But yeah, I wanted to just give you guys some words of encouragement here, that don't be afraid to lose profit. If you lose what you start with, that's a different story. Because I might be freaking out a little bit too, you know what I mean? Like, but I started with, basically, just 1,000, and I added 2,000, and then I contributed 15K. My wife let me borrow, 25, so that I can unlock unlimited day trading. And, I was trading for literally pennies and dollars in the summertime, 14 hours a day. Like, that's the kind of work that I put in to be able to get this good at reading the data. Like, when I scalp, I read data. I don't go off of my emotion. Well, sometimes a little bit, I ain't gonna lie, because sometimes you got a FOMO, you know what I mean? But we all work really hard to control that FOMO and be patient and wait for the proper entry point. And also look at the momentum of the data. Read your level 1s and level 2s. If you don't know what level 1s and level 2s are and you're just going with like my gut feeling, that's why they say day traders lose, because you have to know how to read the data and momentum. It's very critical that you know that. That's what I teach my Patreon students. So yeah, that was my day today. Thank you so much for watching. And I don't know how I'm still so hyped. I guess it's because it was like an exciting trading day. You know what I mean? It was such a good day. Even though I'm bag holding right now. I mean, look at this. Bruh. Look at that. I'm bag holding like near $10,000. Now just put that into your brain. And if I break even, guess where my account will be? 60K. You see? That's why I'm not worried, because this is my money still working. And even if I take a loss at $1,000, I'm still up. And I'll look for the next trading opportunity. Again, I'm going to stress that. The next trading opportunity will always present itself. You just got to be patient, and you just got to wait. And you got to put in the time. Put in the time to learn the level 1s and level 2s. Learn the psychology of trading. Learn the law of supply and demand. No, those are some really basic stuff that every high school kid would know. Well, assuming they paid attention to economics. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this with people who need the encouragement. All right? And again, it's not about the money anymore. It's really just me playing video games and trying to get me to that next level. Next level. We'll see what the next level is. All right. Well, get your hands ready for those of you who are returning. For those of you who are new to the channel, just get your hands ready and follow along. Rock, paper, peace. Let's hang out again in the next video.